So you've been noticing how beautiful and well organized people's home pages are on YouTube, and you wonder, how can I get my own YouTube page to look like this? Well, you need a playlist, and that's exactly what I'm going to show you how to create in this video. What's up, friends? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, my name is Victoria and I'm a lifestyle and business vlogger, and I try my possible best to also show upcoming YouTubers how to do some simple certain things on YouTube. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can create a beautiful, well organized home page by creating a playlist. If you like this video, please give it a like and leave me a comment in the comment section, and you can also tap on the subscribe button below. It's free. And tap on the notification bell beside it so that you get notified anytime I upload a new content just like this. Okay guys, so from your channel page, you want to go to your YouTube studio. Once you get to your YouTube studio, on the left side you click on playlists. From there you'll be able to see all your playlists, and if you don't have any playlist here, then it will be blank, and you see an option to add new playlist. You can see this plus sign, new playlist. You click on it, then you give it a title. Let's say I want to make the title make money. Then you click on create. So it will bring you to a new window where you can actually edit this. So what you want to do is, see this add a description. You're going to add a description. It is what actually gives people an idea of what that particular playlist is all about. So as you can see, there is no videos in this playlist yet. If you want to share, this is where you can share, and you can actually see the playlist settings here. Here you'll be able to once again choose whether you want the playlist to be public, unlisted, or private. Then you'll be able to choose how you want the playlist to appear. Maybe manually you want to edit the appearance yourself, or you want the newest to be the first that people will see according to the oldest, most popular, date published, oldest, and newest. So you can actually choose how you want the playlist to show. Then if you want to add new videos to top of playlist, then you can tick this, and any video that you add to this particular playlist will be the first, any new video will be the first video that people will see in the playlist. And you can also set it as official series for the playlist. That means when people watch a particular video in this playlist, when they click on any video in this playlist, then the next video will officially be another video in this particular playlist. And this is something that really helps with your watch time, watch hours, and views for your YouTube videos. So once you are done with it, you click on save. Allow embedding, you should also tick it. It's automatically ticked. You can remove it, but you should leave it as ticked. It means that your video can actually be embedded on external websites, and this actually helps to drive traffic to your YouTube videos, and it's overall, generally, it helps your videos. So to auto add, you can actually add a rule for this particular playlist, like define rules for videos to be automatically added to this playlist. That means any video that meets this criteria, title contains, let's say title contains make money, so any video that has this titles will be automatically added to this particular playlist. Then you save. If you want to add another rule, maybe for the description, so if the description contains XYZ, then it will automatically add that particular video which the description contains XYZ to this particular playlist. And also the tags, if the tag contain, you write whatever you want it to be. If the tag contain this particular word, then it will automatically add it, you know, to that particular playlist. So click on add role and title, just continue like that, and when you're through, you save. So let's add a description to this playlist, and that is what people will be seeing on your home page. Like, people will see what you're talking about, what the playlist is about. So you click on add a description. Okay, so add a description, then you add whatever it is. So let's say this is what my description is going to be. That's it, and it is automatically saved. Now another way you can add a playlist to your channel is by going to your home page like this, then click on customize channel. Then click on playlist. Here you'll be able to see all your playlists, and as you can see, this is the playlist that was just created now. So if you want to add a new playlist, you can actually add it and follow the same process that we followed in the first example that I showed you. So you follow the same process. So once these playlists are created, the next thing you want to do is to add videos to those playlists. So just click on the playlist and you'll be able to actually add a video to it. So here you can add the videos. Click here, add videos, and you'll be able to add different videos here. So you can search for the video you want to add, or you input the URL if you have it, or you just go directly to your YouTube videos and just pick the videos that you want to add. So let's say I want to add this. You can pick as many as you want, then you click on add videos. So for you to add this newly created playlist to your channel homepage so that it will show just like this, what you need to do is go to your channel, then go to customize channel, so you can see it's already under home. This red bar is under home. So you go to okay, this is a quick bonus tip. You can actually edit the video your returning subscribers see when they return to your YouTube channel, and you can also edit the video that your new visitors see when they come to your channel for the very first time. So you can actually edit it with this pencil icon that is showing here. So what you need to do in order to add this newly created playlist to your home page is go to the bottom of this and just click on. Now if you've not add any of the playlists to your channel, of course it will be blank, and this add section will be at the top. So you just click on add a section, then select content. You want to select a playlist, a single playlist, and want to choose the playlist. You just leave it at my playlist. If you actually have the URL, you can actually click enter playlist URL and you enter and add. but I don't have the URL, so I just click on my playlist and find playlist. So this will load all my playlists, and then I can actually choose this newly created playlists, and that is this, making money on YouTube. I'll click on it. As you can see, it's already showing me a preview. So if you're satisfied, you just click on done, and that is it. It is done. Now if you want this particular playlist, as you can see, it's below. Like, let's say you've created a lot of this kind of playlist on your home page, and you want to move one playlist or another to the top. So what you need to do is just click on this arrow, and it will move it up. And if you want to move it down, just click on the down arrow and it will move it down. And as you can see, it's already showing the description of that particular playlist on the home page also. So if you go back to your channel, let's go back to my channel. This is what it's going to look like. Here we go. Okay, so this is the newly added playlist that I just added. Okay guys, I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you do, please make sure to share this video, give this video a like please, and leave me a comment in the comment section if you enjoyed watching this. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you are yet to subscribe, please click on the subscribe button below. Let's move this ministry, let's move it higher. Thank you so much for watching guys. If you have any video requests, please leave me a comment in the comment section. Also, I make videos around making money online, affiliate marketing, and I also do videos on YouTube once in a while. So if any of my content interests you, please make sure to click on the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.